Hello friends, just to update you on my savings. Thank you for stopping in. Friends, I am still saving, and on this year I am saving a little bit different. Still doing the 52 weeks, but I'm doing it monthly, and I continue to use my money binder, and this makes it so much easier for me. Now we're in the month of June, and I already had put the money in my savings. So each month, me and my husband decided to just save $125 a piece, and that will make it so much easier for us, and just trying to keep up with the 52 weeks. And so on the 6th month, I'm adding as you see, my 125. And friends, it is progressing. Now, you don't have to save the way I do, but please do save. Now, this is not the only type of saving that we have. I have about 2 or 3 different types of ways that I'm saving, but a lot of times people like to see. So this is what I do to show you that I am saving, because we are in a financial crisis in the world. And first of all, guys, I hope you have a relationship with God and pay your tithes. The Lord will take care of us. 1/10 belongs to the Lord and 90% belongs to us. So we're in the month of June. And once again, I say this is for me and my husband's saving. So for 125, it's going to be $750. And you time that by 2, it'll be $1,500. So our goal this year is to save $3,000. Now, I may not be coming here every month like I did last year, but I am still savings. So how many of you are challenging yourselves on saving this year? Rent is high, food is high, so you have to prepare yourself. Save, set a goal. And guys, also, I did another saving. This is just me doing this, not my husband. And I do I still save my coins, but I do stuff in envelopes. And all that is, you get envelopes and you stuff money in it. I don't know how much it is. It's 20s, it's 5s, it's 10s, it's 50s, it's 100. Whatever money I have extra, and I just stick it in it. Sometimes I do it every month. Sometimes I do it twice in a month. Even it's just $1. So there's different ways you can save. Now, I am not going to count this until the end of the year, because this is just going to be for me. I'm saving that just for me. But the other finances I'm saving here, this is going in the bank. And I have another savings that's in the banks already. We got 2 more. So like I said, you just got to set a goal. I'm working on being debt free. And guys, I found out something about the credit cards I want to share with you. Make sure you keep your credit cards under 30%, and to make sure that you pay your bills on time. You want to get your credit up to a place that you don't have to get these high interest. And I'm not a financial expert, but I am learning. And when you use your credit cards, if you just put $25 and $30 or $15 a month, pay it off before the bill comes. And I find out that really increases my credit score. So I'm learning in this. So if any financial advice that you guys can share, please do. So I just want to share this video with you today. Hope that everyone is having a blessed and prosperous day, going to your weekend and coming into your week. Guys, pray and keep God in your life. I love you for Penny. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.